Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to clear history list of a contact on your HUAWEI P60 Pro. We have to go to phone, then contacts. Now we have to select a contact we want to clear history of, for example this one here. Now we have to go here, more options, and we have here erase history. And as we can see, all call and message records with this contact will be erased. Yes. And our history is with this number is cleared. It's no longer on our phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.